is here again. We are just out feeding cows right now, and in a couple minutes we are going to show you how to load a big square bale into a processor that was only designed to handle round bales.
Finally got winter here in southern Alberta again. Had minus 18 to 20 for the last 2 days. It's been seasonably warm since just before Christmas. December and November were cold. Pretty well the whole month of January we had lots of plus temperature days, 4 or 5 degrees Celsius, even some 8 to 10 degree days. And last part of January here it's gotten cold again. February's not proving to be too bad, at least what they're telling us on the weather. Today we're just feeding cows, feeding some second cut and first cut hay, and chopping a green feed bale on top. A little sample here of our green feed Cena barley. Tough on us, but not too bad. Cows like it so.
So typically in our operation we just make and use round bales, but due to the short crop conditions and combining in the heat, the straw broke down too badly. Straw was so short it would just tumble in the baler and it was not able to grab the mesh to tie it properly. Thankfully we have some great neighbors who on short notice came and baled this with the square baler before it got rained on. Thank you, Cody from Ryrie Simmentals. But with 2 people, it is possible to load a square bale into it. These are 3x4 bales. If you put one spear into one end of the bale, it will hang lengthwise and one person to steady it, while another backs in to load it. After it's loaded, strings are cut in the tub, and the bale will gradually slide down the ramp as it gets blown out of the processor.
Get the bulls all fed. They get pretty well just a straight grass diet. The odd time we'll give them a first cut alfalfa just to give them a little bit more energy, but this grass seems to be all they need to keep them from getting too fat and staying in shape for when the next breeding season comes. Good hair coats. We used a different Ivomec product this year. It wasn't Ivomec brand. I think Bimectin, I believe, was the name we used. And so it seems to be working good on them so far. This particular bale has been on top for a while, so it's got some freezing and melting and thawing and freezing and melting and thawing of snow on it, so it's not feeding quite as nice because half of it's frozen. So here we have first calf heifers in here, 27 of them this year. Down some numbers compared to last year, sold some early, going into the what looked like was going to be a real drought situation type summer. In fear of grass, we sold some, and a few other unfortunate events, open heifers. A couple get hit by lightning. We were down some even more than what we had bred to begin with.